Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a quiz for your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on my Squarespace editor page, and this is what my site currently looks like. It is just one single page that I have automatically generated, or rather I've chosen a template once starting my site. Now, I am currently on the free version, so I am very limited when it comes to my functionalities. However, I will be providing you the adequate information for creating a quiz. Now, as far as I know, there are no built-in systems on Squarespace to make your quiz. However, there are third-party apps which you can use to then embed into your site at a later time. Now, what I'll be using here is Interact. You can very easily use it to create your quiz. Now, this says with AI, however, you do have an option of creating your quiz without the use of AI if you want to create it exclusively manually. So let's just go ahead and do it. Just click create a quiz, and now you have to enter your website URL. You can find this by going into pages, clicking to the gear icon next to the page you want to link, and finding the URL slug. And as you can see, it's /home. Now you're just going to copy your site URL from the top. It's whatever your username or your specific string is, .squarespace.com, and then just copy that without anything afterwards. Afterwards, it'll say config/pages, but you don't want to copy that. So this is what it looks like, and you just want to add /home to the end, and then click next. Then I don't have a quiz idea. You can click this if you want to use AI, or you can use exact quiz you want to make. I'll just add this tutorial too, then click next, choose a cover, click next, then choose whatever your quiz is going to test. For example, assess knowledge. Yes, I have specific outcomes. Then outcome 1 is test 1, outcome 2 is test 2. Let's just put it like that, and then I'll just copy test 1 and copy it over and over until the description has enough characters. Then you're going to click next. Then yes, I have questions I want to include. Click and enter the questions you want. Test 1, test 2, test 3, then go next, then next again. Skip this step if you don't want to add it. Then you're going to need to log in. I'll log in with Google, so let's just choose our account. Just authorize it, and once that's done, you'll go ahead and get your quiz ready. Now, as you can see, it's creating my quiz, but after this is done, I still need to go ahead and publish it. However, this does require a paid subscription on Interact if you want to use it. You can use other things to embed on your site. For example, you can use Google Forms. However, that is not going to have any immediate results on the website page. So if you want an interactive page, you will be able to use this. And if I go to preview my quiz, this will give me a preview. If I go to edit my quiz, it'll open up my Interact dashboard, which looks like this. And then, as you can see, it's currently on that quiz, and I can click publish, but it does require a free trial or a paid subscription, which I won't be doing. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.